Welcome back to my YouTube channel Driven Daily. What if I told you that one of the world's most iconic hypercar manufacturers has now stepped into the world of luxury motorhomes? That's right, Bugatti, the name synonymous with speed, exclusivity, and extreme performance, is redefining what it means to travel in style with the 2025 Bugatti Motorhome, previewing the futuristic possibilities of 2026. This isn't your average RV. This is a moving statement of design, engineering, and absolute power, a long-kept secret that's finally seeing the light of day. Imagine merging the DNA of a Chiron with the comfort of a 5-star penthouse suite. That's essentially what Bugatti has created. Under the radar, engineers and designers in Molsheim have been working on this groundbreaking project, blending hypercar inspiration with elite hospitality. At first glance, it looks like something out of a sci-fi movie, sculpted, sleek, and unlike any motorhome you've ever seen. The sharp aerodynamic lines, signature Bugatti grille, and light blade design all point to its legendary heritage. But walk inside, and you're transported to another world entirely. The 2025 Bugatti Motorhome is not just about appearances, though it's impossible to ignore the sheer presence it commands on the road. The chassis has been crafted using ultralight carbon fiber monocoque technology, similar to what's used in their performance vehicles. That allows the motorhome to remain relatively lightweight while still housing all the luxury features inside. What's hiding beneath the body is even more mind-blowing: an all-electric quad-motor setup that delivers over 1,200 horsepower. Yes, a motorhome with hypercar performance. It's built to glide silently and powerfully across continents, and if you think it's slow just because it's big, think again. 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds. Let that sink in. Inside, the cabin is like stepping into a mobile villa. Every material, every surface, every detail screams Bugatti precision. Italian leather, brushed aluminum, real wood panels, ambient lighting that adjusts based on your mood, nothing has been spared. The lounge area features a panoramic retractable roof, giving you an open-air experience when parked under the stars. There's a full gourmet kitchen with retractable appliances, a wine cellar, and even a built-in espresso system. Bugatti didn't just want to build a motorhome. They wanted to build a sanctuary on wheels. The bedroom feels more like a luxury suite you'd find in Monaco. A king-sized bed with memory foam, temperature control, and a 4D sound system integrated into the walls. It's not just a place to sleep, it's an experience. There's a walk-in bathroom with rainfall shower, smart glass privacy, and even a marble vanity. Who knew a motorhome could feel like a luxury spa? The cockpit, of course, is pure Bugatti. A fully digital display, haptic feedback controls, and a steering wheel inspired by the Chirons. It's driver-focused and futuristic. Advanced autopilot systems mean you can relax when you choose to, or take the wheel when the open road calls. Bugatti is planning to produce only 99 units globally, and pricing not officially disclosed, but insiders suggest it'll start well above $5 million. It's not for everyone, but then again, Bugatti never builds for the masses. This is a new breed of travel, where speed, style, and sophistication go hand in hand. The 2025 Bugatti Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a symbol of limitless freedom wrapped in elegance and innovation. Keep watching Driven Daily for more unbelievable automotive creations just like this.